Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hamburger potato soup. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large pot over medium heat until it's no longer pink. Once cooked, drain any excess fat from the pot to keep your soup from being greasy. Then, add 1 cup of chopped yellow onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pot, cooking until the onions are softened and fragrant, about 5 minutes. This builds a flavorful base for your delicious soup. Next, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour over the beef and onion mixture, stirring well for 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste. Add 4 cups of beef broth, 1/14, 5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning. Stir everything together until well combined. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld and the broth to thicken slightly, which takes about 10 minutes. Now add 3 cups of peeled and diced potatoes to the simmering soup. Cover the pot and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Once cooked, reduce the heat to low. Stir in 1 cup of whole milk and 4 ounces of softened cream cheese until smooth and fully incorporated. Heat the soup gently, ensuring it doesn't come to a rolling boil after adding the dairy to prevent curdling. Finally, taste your hamburger potato soup and adjust the seasonings with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or some shredded cheddar cheese for extra flavor. This hearty soup is perfect for a cozy meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade comfort food.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.